Hey gardeners, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be covering 5 medicinal plants you should grow in your garden. As gardeners, we love growing fruit trees, vegetables, flowers, everything in that area. However, there's lots of plants out there that are medicinal. And some plants are actually medicinal and we don't even know about it. So I'll go ahead and cover my top 5 favorite medicinal plants that I have in my garden growing as of right now. If you want to go ahead and see a part 2, make sure to go ahead and comment down below that you'd like to see a part 2, and I'll go ahead and do that for all of you. So coming at number 1 is the blue butterfly pea. So this is actually a vine, and I didn't get introduced to this till a couple years ago, and let me tell you its benefits. This flower is commonly used in drinks or as a natural dye, which is really fun. However, the reason why people use blue butterfly pea is to lose weight, improve memory in children, as well as to control sugar levels in your blood system. So if you're diabetic, this is perfect for you. Not to mention, lots of people have also used this as a natural dye, as it's also a great experiment to do with kids, because when you infuse this in water, the water will become a royal blue color. However, whenever you add anything acidic to it, it will become hot pink. So not only is this a medicinal plant, but it's also very cool and very fun to use as well. Coming in number 2 is pagoda flower, and this actually came to a surprise to me, as I've only grown it for its ornamental purposes, because these flowers are really gorgeous and breathtaking, but I didn't come to find out about its medicinal uses. So people consume the dried leaves in teas to help with blood clots, and so that was something I absolutely found interesting and unique and really cool, because I don't really hear about many plants that are used to treat blood clots. And to know that the pagoda leaves is, one, easy to grow, low maintenance, it's gorgeous, pollinators love it, and not to mention it's also medicinal in the most mind-blowing way. And so I had to include this one in the list, because not only is it really pretty, but it's also medicinal. Coming to number 3 is actually a plant that I've discussed a lot about on my channel, which is the miracle berry or the miracle fruit. So when it comes down to this plant, is actually, mine is currently in flower, which is really exciting. I didn't even realize this until just now when I just came close to the plant. This plant always makes its way onto many lists in my videos because of 2 main reasons. One, because of its medicinal uses. It actually helps bring back the sense of taste to those who lose it during usually chemotherapy, or people who have gone through COVID and lost their sense of taste. They were prescribed miracle berry powder, as that was super strong that it brought back their sense of taste. Number 2 is shocking, and that is because when you consume the fruit, everything for the next like 45 minutes will taste sweet. Everything savory, everything plain, everything will become sweet. So once you consume this fruit, I would recommend not eating anything for the next 45 minutes, as it will become sweet. And I've experienced it in the past, and so I could definitely say this is a very unique and rare fruit. However, it's medicinal and is very beneficial for us. And the fruit is delicious, so unlike some medicines that taste absolutely terrible, this one's delicious and pleasable to eat. Now coming to number 4 on this list is Cuban oregano. So this one is actually a common herb that many of us gardeners grow, especially us Hispanics usually use this a lot. And this is actually used to treat headaches, fevers, colds, pains, earache. You use it for lots of different things. So this is almost like a super herb, as I call them, because it is beneficial in multiple different aspects. Although the tea of this is a little bit on the bitter side, this is very beneficial and it smells amazing, and the plant takes over your garden. And so if you are a beginner gardener wanting to grow your very own medicinal plants, definitely grow Cuban oregano, as you will not be disappointed. Usually so the way to use this is you just dry up the leaves, like you air dry them, and then you use them as a tea. That's the main way I've seen them used. And so definitely consider growing some Cuban oregano for your household, because you will not regret it. And finally, number 5 on this list is the infamous blue turmeric. So I would say turmeric in general is on this list. Every color in its possible form is very beneficial to us. So I grew blue turmeric mainly because it helps treat inflammation. But turmeric in general is very beneficial and medicinal in multiple different ways. It's also a natural dye. And so many people drink this as a tea. They use it in their cooking. Turmeric has a wide range of different uses. However, the way I use it is in teas. So the way you prepare this is the way you cut them up into pieces, you dry them out, you grind them, and you make a turmeric powder off of it. From there, you usually drink it as a tea, as that will help you consume the properties of the turmeric way better than if you were to cook them off. Well, blue turmeric is always a plant I grow year after year because it produces abundantly. The plant is gorgeous, and I always look forward to harvesting those vibrant blue and almost purplish roots at the end of the growing season. So I know there's green, red, yellow, orange, blue, and even black turmeric out there. So you choose whatever you would like to grow. However, I will stick to blue turmeric. So make sure to leave a like underneath this video and make sure to comment down below what's your thoughts on this video, as well as what medicinal plants are you growing. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. May God bless you and your entire family, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye everyone.